My vlog is about the heavy rains just for half day yesterday and then until today with a simple rainfalls. So this is the problem of this land, the end land. Okay, cuts basic. This is the constraint I was trying to solve. We still need to have a higher perimeter other than 3 m wide. This flood in our rice plan should be only within 2 to 3 days, or else our plants will be affected, and this means losses. I'm already spending more than close to 150 tau, and if I lost here, then I still have to try more until such time this land will be perfected. So, in spite of the fact that we're incurring lots of losses, others are thinking differently. How much I will be gaining or profiting from this land. They don't think of the losses that I had or the cost that I've been spending. That's what I realize with these funny people, that they're only thinking of the money that they're coming in, but they're not thinking of the money that I spent. Anyway, I can't tolerate this kind of people, this kind of mind. All I can say is mercy. It's God who showed me everything and what to do, and I'm looking forward that God will bless me at the end. God said patience is a virtue. I don't have to lift a finger. God said vengeance is mine, and will do all best reaping. And I'm looking forward because I know God is at my side. I have nothing bad in my mind, but all the things that I can be best. And if I do all the best for this, that I can guarantee this will benefit many of my co-farmers. In God I trust. God bless. Bye.